what a day this has been. I don't know if you can tell by the snowbanks. It's just been relentlessly snowing. Wake up, shovel the driveway. Again, airplanes crashing at Pearson Airport. 38 years at the airport, never seen that before. Another gross misfire. I thought the car was, I felt it miss, you know. No generating the right amount of power. I don't know if you can hear the miss on the exhaust. I can't. Maybe it's not picking up on the soundtrack. It's 1 o'clock in the morning here, guys. There's nobody on the road. Give me shit for filming it. I'm on a back road here, country road, right on the edge of town. Yeah, as you can see, you shouldn't be driving with your check engine light flashing because it'll put your catalytic at risk, right? I'm not worried about that. Catalytic on this thing is 16 years old. It's shot long ago, to be quite honest. And it's minus 16. Not really ideal weather to be pissing around with your car, is it? See how it's not flashing at the moment? Let me open the throttle and I'll misfire. There you can see there. So this is just a side street here, just off of my street. Check out the height of the snowbanks. It has just been relentless. It has been brutal as far as shoveling is concerned. I really need to get myself a snowblower. I'm getting too old for this. Plug might be the plug, but I'm not about to piss around with that in the moment here. Let's hope we'll get lucky here. New coil is in. My phone cut out there because it's freezing the temperatures. Let's see. Okay, on, back on. Let's call that good. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, the check engine light's on, guys, because it's a P0420 catalytic below threshold efficiency, as I mentioned. But yeah, it's got lots of power now. And the only flashing going on there is for the traction control. So I think I got lucky on this. Looks like a bad coil. Yeah, as I said, you know, sometimes it just doesn't pay to get out of bed, man. Right, that's it, boys. That's it for this one. Cheers.